how can you use it through your landing page? Recommendations and formal certificates, very, very important. Okay, you would like to be an expert. People, they don't know you yet. So put in your websites, in your landing pages, a lot of certificates, okay, formal certificates about your, for example, background in academy, even if it was 5-10 years ago. And recommendations, again, like I told you, there is one thing if I tell you about myself that I'm great. Another thing is if my clients, some of my clients, I choose which one, you can show them what they say about me. So recommendation, very important. Before and after stories. You know, I can tell you all day, for example, if I sell you slimming products or cosmetic products, I can tell you all day that it's great and it has a lot of impact on the clients and everything. But in the end of the day, it doesn't sound objective, it sounds subjective. But if I show you pictures, a picture tells 1,000 words. By the way, a movie tells 1,000 pictures, okay? So if I show you one picture before, one picture after, you know, it's like 10,000 words in creating writing. Okay, by the way, I can manipulate the picture for a little bit. For example, the before picture will be black and white, and the after picture, colored picture, right? Before picture, the person is like this, okay, try to kill himself, and the after picture, you know, everyone smiles and happy and everything is great. So before and after picture, very, very important. Again, social proof. Sporting activity, this is very interesting. Why do you need, which one here does sports regularly? For two, three times at least a week, okay, great. So it doesn't surprise me because usually successful people, they do more sport, okay? So why it is important if I'm a business person, I'm in a meeting or in a negotiation, why it is important for me to say to my clients, for example, or to write to my clients online that I do sport, I swim, I participate in marathons, semi-marathons, etc. It's seemingly irrelevant, right, for me, for my business capabilities, but it's actually very, very relevant in the eyes of the client. Why? Because if I write or if I say to you that I do a lot of sport, that I'm in great shape, what I actually saying to you, again, at the subconscious level, I'm now taking it to the conscious level. At the subconscious level, you think of me as successful person, a hard worker, I got in time each morning to run or something like that, you know, winner, okay, and healthy. You think I'm healthy. Now everyone looking for long-time relationship. No one would like to seek a vendor or new supplier or new vendor each year. Okay, I would like to pick some dentist or some you know, insurance company or something like that and to work with her or with it for years. Okay, so no one would like to seek more and more. So if I say to you that I do sport a lot, that means I'm in great shape, I have high energy, people would like that. People would like to work with someone like that. Another thing, volunteering in community activities. Another thing, if I volunteer for the environment, if I donate monies for charity or something like that, if I travel with you know, people with disabilities on Saturday, on Sunday, okay, why should I say it to my clients? Why should I write it down? Okay, it is seemingly irrelevant for my business capabilities, but it's very, very relevant because when I say I donate money or I help people doing charity or something like that, what I'm saying about myself is, again, what the clients think. I'm honest. By the way, I can cheat my clients all week and then, you know, and then take people with disabilities on Saturday. So it doesn't make any sense. But in the subconscious level, this is why people think that I am honest, that I am reliable, that you know, the odds that I'm going to tell them something that it's not true or not correct, less odds, just by saying you are doing volunteer community. By the way, only if it's true, obviously. Don't make it this stuff up, especially if you are building a long-term relationship with your clients. So social proof means that you are delivering objective data about yourself and your products and your services in order to make confidence in the eyes of your clients.